This is a quick video. I'm going to show you how to make tea from herbs you grow in your garden. For this video, I'm going to use these delicious mint strawberry leaves here. I like to pick them when they're fairly young. Once I pick them, I will put them on a pan and I will dry them in the oven. After drying the leaves in a dehydrator or even on a low setting in an oven, you get these little dry twigs. You see that? Okay, now this is what I do to make my tea. I simply peel off the dried leaf. See that? And I place it in a storage. Right now my storage is pretty simple. I'm going to actually drink this tea. So I peel off these leaves, and as you can see here, just put it here in my tea strainer. I'll be back. Now, after I have taken all the leaves off of these branches, I tend to take these branches and I compost them. Okay. Now, the leaves, as I said before, I put them in my strainer. This should give me a nice cup. You can see that. So then you can already see that there it is. The tea is already being brewed right away. So I'll fill this up. During the steeping process, I like to take a spoon and I manipulate the leaves because I want to make sure I get every nutritional bit out of there. I steep for 5 minutes, minimum of 5 minutes. I know you might hear that you could steep your tea for longer, and that's fine. 5 minutes are up. Gently lift my strainer out, set it off to the side here, and look at that color. Isn't that a beautiful color? This is my strawberry mint tea. Now, before I take a sip, let me tell you what I do with the leftover tea leaves. Remember our old friends, the stems and whatever else didn't make it into the tea? I typically dump out the leaves, the used leaves, and I too put this in my compost, and it helps your garden grow. Delicious. I advise everyone out there to do yourself a favor. Grow yourself a little mint patch. Make your own tea. Your body will thank you for it. Till next time.